people, welcome back to my channel. This is Apurva. I'm your dietitian. Today, you know what? I've come up with an interesting recipe that's almonds oats smoothie. So why late? Let's get in. For this, we require 1/4 cup of rolled oats. Soak it for at least 15 to 20 minutes. Take handful almonds and soak it overnight and peel it. Add the peeled almonds to the jar and grind it to a smooth paste. Now strain the soaked oats and add it to the jar. Take ripe banana, cut it and add it to the jar, and also along with it add some honey and cinnamon powder. Now grind it into a smooth paste again. Pour it into a glass and garnish it with chopped almonds. Here's yummy almond oat smoothie ready. Now, shall we look into the benefits of this recipe? Why late? Let's get in. Firstly, let's discuss about almonds. Almonds are high in proteins, fiber and healthy fat, which aids the weight loss. Antioxidants in almonds protects against infection, controls blood sugar, blood pressure, lowers cholesterol. It reduces hunger. All things considered, almonds are as close to perfect. Whereas oats, they are gluten-free, lowers cholesterol, promotes weight loss as it's high in fiber, promotes healthy bacteria for your gut, eases constipation. Whereas banana, it supports digestive health, good for heart health, and full of antioxidants, which is good for immunity. On the whole, this recipe is rich in protein, fiber, vitamins, and minerals. This boosts the immunity, aids weight loss, good for people with diabetes and hypertension, promotes better gut health, and is good for heart too. Isn't it interesting? So many benefits in one single glass of smoothie. Have it for your breakfast. Drink it and enjoy it. Leave your experience in the comment section below. Do like, share and subscribe Apurva Dietitian channel in YouTube. Bye bye. Stay healthy, stay fit.